Hi, Spencer with Summer Space here, and I'm going to show you how to install these retrofit clips that help hold tension on your FlexScreen. So first we're going to start by removing the window sashes. Always the right side first. Lift that up into the pocket and pull the bottom towards you off the track. The window will fall free. Remove both sides. Next, to install the clips, you're going to want to pull the screen away from its channel very slightly. You'll put the hook side on the non-mesh side of the screen, press it on, and twist so it's straight. I'm always going to start on the mullion, which is this bar here, because this is slightly flexible, so we want to be able to push this side in first. I'm using a flathead screwdriver, but you can use any blunt tool. Just be mindful not to puncture the screen mesh when you press on this. So I'm gonna apply pressure, seat that into the channel, then I'm gonna move to the other side and do the same thing. Now you can see our screen is much more taut. If you felt the need, you could add more clips to the top or the bottom to take up that tension. To remove, if you need to remove it, you can apply light pressure at the screen clip, or I like to flex underneath it and just work my finger up and get it to pop out. There you go. And that releases the screen and the clip.